Hi everyone, follow these simple steps to delete temporary files from your Windows PC. Press Windows plus R key and type TEMP and click on OK. Select all the files and delete them. Skip the files that can't be deleted. Now again press Windows plus R and type %temp% and click on OK. Select all the files and delete them. Now go to Run again and type prefetch and click on OK. Select all the files and delete them. Now open the Run dialog box again and type this location. Select all the files from here and delete them. Now go to Windows Settings, click on System, click on Storage, select temporary files from here. Now you'll get to see these options. Make sure you select all of them and click on Remove Files. So following these methods, you can always keep your PC in top shape by removing all the unnecessary temporary files. So that's it for today. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel. Thank you.